Good morning, YouTube. Little garden greenhouse update. Our curled parsley is doing okay. Some of it's thriving, some of it's not so thriving. We've got green onions back here. These are ones that we got from the grocery store, and they were just little bitty. They were just, smaller diameter than a pencil. And we're growing them out in the aquaponic grow bed. There's nothing that says that you can't go and replant stuff from the grocery store that has roots on it. All just got roots on it. Now over here is our cilantro. And our cilantro is not happy. For some reason, none of the cilantro that we planted really has been happy. So evidently I'm doing something wrong for cilantro. But the green onions are happy, and our curled parsley is doing pretty good. Over here we've got the oregano bed. We've got Italian oregano here. We've got Greek oregano here, and English thyme and Greek oregano over here. All of those guys are very happy. And over here we've got a dill plant and some common sage. And something I noticed about the sage is, you'll notice this plant is a good example of it. You got the big plant, and then down at the base, it looks like it's bolted some more. Now what happened is, once they got in this bed, about 4 or 5 days after it got into this bed, all the stuff down at the base started going nuts with new leaves. Here's a good example. See that little one? It's popping up down there at the base. And now that they've acclimated to the bed here, they're quite happy. Over here we've got some tomatoes. The tomatoes look happy and vigorous, and you can tell they're just nice firm stalks on them. And this is purple basil. Purple basil is looking pretty happy. And our other basils are so happy they're throwing blooms. And here we have pepper plants. Pepper plants. We got bell peppers coming up. Some of them are looking pretty darn good. Now right here is a praying mantis thing that I got off the internet. I went and got a whole bunch of ladybugs at the same time. Unfortunately, 100% of the ladybugs arrived dead. And I think it's due to the sterilization protocols that they're using with the shipping companies now. They want to kill everything, including the bugs that I'm trying to get. Now here's our cucumbers. They're not looking real happy, although we've got new growth. After we planted them in here, as you can tell, it wasn't very happy. But it's got new leaves popping up all over the place. So my guess is it's acclimated now. And we got jalapeno peppers over here. And this is really sad. This is some of the cucumbers I was hoping to have for pickles. Some of them just aren't doing very good. However, look at the strawberry plants. Strawberry plants look quite happy. And there we got some more basil, more jalapeno and hot cayenne peppers. And guess what Mrs. P bought when she went to the plant store? More cilantro and more dill. So we get to go and plant that here in the coming week. I put it up here in the float table so that it can get some water. Now you're probably not going to be able to see this, but we have got hundreds, and I do mean hundreds, of little tadpoles. And they're quite happy in here, eating the algae and everything. The fish are all happy. We haven't had any more major die-offs lately. So everybody's kosher. Everybody's growing up. We'll have some fish here after a while. Back, look at these guys. They are hungry, looking for a handout. Anyway, that's it for the greenhouse update. Like, subscribe, all that stuff. More importantly, comment and come back and see us.